guys. Yes, we are on our way to Calumet Park. I will show you when we get there. But I just wanted to get on and make this vlog and say, hey y'all, hope you guys had a good Mother's Day. I know I did. Now let's just go over here by the rooftop. Shoot, I forgot the sun. Little ships. I love that. Don't you guys just love nature? I do. Look at the beautiful trees. There's the park. And I'm looking at all these, look at those little, what are those, dandelions? Okay. Look at all of that beautiful nature. I love coming to a park in the summertime because it's nature, you know what I'm saying? And on the ground you got your, I believe the yellow flowers, y'all, are daisies. And I don't know what the purple ones are. I'm guessing lilies. I might be wrong. Please comment in the comments below if I'm wrong and tell me what they are. But look, nature, it is so beautiful out here. By the way, you guys like my necklace? Guys, look at the little ducks. They're so cute. That one's like, excuse me, I'm gonna cross. Woo! That's a nice breeze. That does feel good. They are open. Three, two, one. Yo, Lise, come on. I'm scared.
Danielle, your turn.
So yes, that is my dog Tita. I do have another dog that you guys will see in just a minute. I will take a clip of that as well. I just thought I'd show you guys, you know.
With umbrellas, 2018 in that Porsche Carrera. Yeah, pouch. Racks in a quarter ounce. 2 accounts. Large amount. Yeah. Shop around.
Hey guys, so I thought I'd show you a little clip of one of my dogs. You guys have never seen her before. This is Tita. Tita. She is very, very precious. Hey guys, this little girl right here that you guys see, this is Cordelia. Yes, my little precious is what she is. Talking to the moon.